I only know where I've been. I don't know where I'm going. I'm holding on while moving on. I'm holding on, I'm moving on. Watch this space, watch the future. I don't know the way, but I know the path I've walked. I'm trying to keep my focus straight and avoid the diversions. Obstacles are a part of it. I know the risk and consequences are a start of this journey. The bad times learn me to persevere, and through that perseverance I learned to face my fears. The process brought me peace within myself. They couldn't leave me in peace. Repeatedly drew me out and brought me back to the streets. Whether it was beef or out there collecting the fees, they kept me pulling me back like I was attached to the leash. And my lease was my loyalty. You forgot yours. Just took hold of my energy and drew away, and still you want more in the form of failure and downfalls. I'm still standing cause I can take more than you can give. Can't understand the reason I was born to take part in something historical, so win or lose. To the children, to our future, we're doing this for you. I only know where I've been. I don't know where I'm going. I'm holding on while moving on. I'm holding on, I'm moving on.
I came from a woman, passed on from a man. I was alive before I got it, God sent me to this land. My past has been deep, I'm affected by my trauma. Been living through this chapter, you can tell by the drama. But still I push through, they throw stones while I'm moving. I'm using my halo, it's more than a movement. You stop me, I'm proving. You drop me, I'm losing. This game is confusing, but I will not break. It took years for me to be me, but then they didn't see me. But now they gossip and talk, and none of them can be me. I'm moving how I want to, Halo or Damien. P, trust me, my pagans are crazy. Cause I know where I'm going, I know where I'm from, and I'm moving on, I'm moving on, I'm moving on. Yeah, I'm moving on, I'm moving on.
I only know where I've been. I don't know where I'm going. I'm holding on while moving on. I'm holding on, I'm moving on. Raised by queens, I understand the man's will. The fact that I was born to protect my family's girls, and the powers wielded by men, they're wielded over. So equality is a false teachings left for me and you to fight over. The life's over that I knew moved to pastors and you. And your opinion doesn't matter, I'd rather be invisible to you. Cause your view would only hold me back, but up to your humanity. How many years of feelings are you holding to still be mad at me? When actually, you're only mad at yourself. You put me down in a low moment and now you're back at yourself. My wealth is internal, I'm beyond the materials you offer, and I stand by all signs.
Pagans never prosper.
I don't know where you've seen, and I don't care what you're doing. Cause you're moving wrong, I'm moving strong. Yeah, you're moving wrong, you're moving wrong. I only know where I've been. I don't know where I'm going. I'm holding on while moving on. I'm holding on, I'm moving on.